Two all-in-one workspaces enter the ring. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, Notion, the black and white canvas for notes, docs, and creativity. And on the right, ClickUp, the vibrant project management powerhouse for teams. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Here's our roadmap for this face-off. We're breaking things down into solid categories like pricing, project and task management, note-taking and documentation, collaboration and real-time editing, automation and integrations, artificial intelligence, mobile and UX, dashboards and reporting, and security and compliance. So if you're obsessed with one of these areas, just keep an ear out. Let's kick things off with pricing. So Notion comes out swinging. You get a really generous free plan, which is honestly enough for most individuals, and their per-seat pricing is super transparent. If you love collaborative documentation, it's great value overall. But hey, if you want to run a team, partnerships in the free plan hit a wall, and those fancy admin controls locked behind the pricier tiers. Now, ClickUp, their free forever plan is, well, quite feature-packed. You unlock more power as you upgrade, but the catch? Some of the juiciest project management stuff is hidden behind their higher-priced plans. Plus, there are some annoying caps on free features. Between them, Notion slightly edges ahead for the budget-conscious. So, if you're penny-pinching, take note. All right, shifting gears to project and task management. Notion's got databases you can tweak for just about any workflow you dream up, which is, like, wow, super flexible. But you'll notice it isn't natively built for classic project management. Gantt charts? Got a DIY. Recurring tasks and dependencies? Kind of a headache with workarounds. Now, here's where ClickUp flexes. It comes loaded with all the fancy stuff. Gantt charts, timelines, dependencies, you name it. Task tracking, reporting, totally built in and intuitive for big team setups. But they do pack in a lot, so it can feel overwhelming if you just want something simple. Also, a bit more rigid if you're a creative type. Still, for structured team management, ClickUp takes the win. Let's get into one of my favorite parts: note-taking and documentation. Notion right here is basically the MVP. Editing is slick, you can link anything, embed content all over, and the template community, it's wild. But if your workspace gets huge, navigation can be a little clunky. ClickUp has solid docs and wikis built in, plus nice markdown support for you formatting nerds. Still, it's not as flexible for free-form writing, and honestly, Notion just hands down offers richer formatting. So yeah, Notion's your go-to here for next-level note-taking. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Notion's original mascot is called Puffy, and ClickUp's team mascot is Cuppy? Would have been a wild collab if those two ever joined forces. Moving on to collaboration and real-time editing. Notion lets you work together on docs in real time. Comments and mentions flow easily. But when it comes to collaborating over tasks, it's just not super structured. ClickUp, meanwhile, nails the live editing, commenting, and team management side. You can assign specific roles, keep things tidy. Sometimes with huge teams, it just gets, well, a bit noisy. Between both, honestly, it's a tie here. They each shine for different reasons. So, automation and integrations. Notion hooks up with all the big names: Slack, Google Drive, the works. You can play with the API or third-party automation too, but native automation's pretty limited. You'll find yourself fiddling manually more. ClickUp, though, this is where it gets spicy. Built-in no-code automations, plus easy links to Zapier, Slack, and a bunch more. Automations for repetitive chores, super smooth. The catch? Sometimes you gotta upgrade, and it can get complicated for newbies. Either way, ClickUp just steamrolls Notion in this round. Artificial intelligence. Everyone wants AI superpowers right now. Notion brings in its own AI magic for summarizing, writing, and context-sensitive searches. It's slick, but you'll need to upgrade for the full package. ClickUp rolls out ClickUp Brain, which whips up smart suggestions, summaries, plus automates some actions, mostly in a project management lens. Both are pretty cool, but honestly, they're kind of neck and neck, so I gotta call it a tie. Mobile and UX is next, and okay, Notion's mobile app is just a pleasure to use. Seriously, it's intuitive, modern, has a clean interface. You almost forget you're on your phone. Heavy-duty workspaces can be a bit sluggish, though. ClickUp, gotta hand it to them, packs all their features right into the app, so you don't miss anything on the go. But the interface, kinda dense, and not as polished for creative explorers. If you care about looking good and working fast on mobile, Notion's ahead. Quick word on dashboards and reporting. Notion can do it if you're ready to go all manual and build your own roll-ups within databases. But out of the box, reporting is scant. Meanwhile, ClickUp, custom dashboards, built-in analytics, workload charts, you see the numbers you need to get stuff done. However, they might be overwhelming if your use case isn't 100% project-based. No contest, ClickUp grabs the win for reporting. Finally, security and compliance. Notion ticks all the right GDPR boxes and lets you get granular with sharing. Enterprise SSO is only for the big spenders, though. ClickUp matches with strong encryption, admin controls, and SSO if you go for Business Plus or higher. Most of those beefy security features are for business plans, honestly. So, you know what? Both are secure, as you'd expect in 2025. But advanced perks do come at a price. It's a tie. Let's take a step back and see how these two stack up side by side on every category. If you look at the scores, it's pretty clear. Notion dominates in customization, docs, and mobile. ClickUp, though, is an absolute beast for project management and automations. They really carve out different strengths. All right, the verdict. So, here's my honest take. If you crave ultimate customization, flexible docs, or you lean creative, Notion is going to feel like home. But if you're all about structured tasks, project management, and automating the grind, ClickUp's powerhouse features rule the roost. Either way you go, both are top-notch for 2025. If you enjoyed this battle, stay tuned for more workspace matchups. Make sure you subscribe for all the latest tool reviews and tips. I've got loads more lined up for you.